Okay, my friend, welcome back to another Arcis AI video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the new feature that has been probably the hardest bit to get into the platform, and that is the AI Live Trader. So the Arcis AI Live Trader basically trades the markets in real time, tick by tick, minute by minute, and looks for the best setups based on my built-in Arcis core system. Trading method I've used for over 14 years, and it's totally built into the platform for automated trading. So this video we're going to go over it. I've made a couple of changes to the front interface. So the front interface is completely for analytics. So looking at the macro, the journals, and all that. We just have the Arcis setups here, and these are my weekly and daily trading setups. You can download via, if you're on a pro member, download via Excel sheet. Or if you're on an elite program for auto trading, you can just auto trade them into your platform. So that is the Arcis. But for this video, we're going to look at the AI Live Trader. So this is what you see in front of you here. This is not me trading. This is not manual trading, not a robot. This is AI trading the markets in real time. It's pretty awesome. So a lot of hard work has went into it and finally got there. So to actually see what the AI is looking at and doing, this button here, icon on the right hand side, is the AI Analyze. So it will show you the trades that it's currently looking at. Currently, trade setups that are currently approaching levels and zones. And then over here, it will show you the actual live Arcis AI Live trades that are active in the market at the minute. And you can see them also in the accounts section here. And these are all the setups. These are on a 15-minute program. These are all the setups that it's taken today so far in the European session, all running green, $759. Of course, this is demo money as it's not completely ready for live trading. We just have to run a few final tests on the actual back end with MT5, but another day or so it will be ready for live trading onto your trading platform. But you can head over to the Arcis platform and check it out in real time. Both pro and elite members have access to it. So if you are a pro member and you don't want to auto trade to your platform, you turn off auto trade here and you'll be able to see the setups that the AI is currently looking at, and you'll be able to place limit orders or enter an aggressive market order. So you can see all the setups that it's currently looking at here, setups that are currently active here. And when auto trade is on, the AI is actually monitoring the position. There's no fixed take profit. It will exit and scale into positions as the market and structure says to do so. So you can see this position here moving nicely. The stop's up here, and it will get out when the market tells it to get out. So it's analyzing the market in real time, candle by candle, tick by tick. It knows when to get out. And it's not emotional. It will simply exit the position. It's one of the things that most traders struggle with is emotion and being at the screen all the time. Fatigue. The future of trading is AI. Future of retail trading is AI. 90% of institutional trading is on orders or order flow is done by AI. So this Arcis AI bridges the gap between institutions and retail trading, and this is exactly why I've built the platform. Everything built into one. Just let AI do the work for you. You just plug in and play. As always, trade at your own risk as as anything. But yeah, so to set up the auto settings is here. You can route it to 3 different types of accounts. The built-in demo account on the platform. If you want to run a prop firm simulator, you can with the prop firm sim. MT5 Live, which is the live account trading. MT4 will be coming soon, and I'm currently looking to work with some brokers for broker integration into the platform. So that will be a feature that will be added here. Instead of MT5 Live, down here we'll say Brokers Connect, and you'll be able to connect to your trading broker or the ones that are working on the platform. So that is a feature that is coming. You can choose the setups that you want to auto trade to the platform. We have Arcis Live, Arcis Weekly, and Arcis Daily. So Arcis Live is the AI Live Trader. Scaling in, so this is permanenting. This is where, as the market is moving down, stair steps, As it pulls back, the Arcis AI will scale back into the position and scale out as it drops to new lows, and vice versa for when it's making that staircase up. When it makes new highs, pulls back, it scales back in. So pretty cool feature there. It's what professional traders do, and it allows you to scale your account a lot faster. Here is the quality and risk. So you can set your trade size, your quality, so over 60 plus I recommend. And again, the AI is doing everything for you. It's just looking at setups that have a 60% plus confluence. And with the machine learning, which I'll show you just in a second, getting plugged into the background at the back end at the minute, every setup that the platform takes will be recorded. The structure at the time, why it exited, everything will be recorded, so it actually learns and gets better at the trading systems over time. So pretty cool feature there. Lot size in here, you can have, if you want to do auto risk, you can have auto risk percentage or just a custom lot, which is what. And then here is for if you're routing to your MT5 live account, you will do the fixed lot, or if you have a custom field there. Down here this is for the Arcis trades. That's just want to trade in a basket. So there's 20 setups sent weekly, and you can select how much you want to risk across the 20 setups. It will correct the trade size for that. Trade management, this is the auto trader here. So TP1, again, this is programmed into it. It won't necessarily take it off at certain levels. It will wait for the structure to be right to exit the position. So TP1, it will take 30% off. When it hits TP1, decides to exit, it will then move the stop loss to the entry price. After TP2, it will take another 30% off and move the stop loss to TP1, so wherever it out the first time. And with auto scale, it's scaling in, scaling out of position. So just like a professional institutional style algo is how I've built it. Down here, you can select your AI live time frames you want to look at. Personally, I use a short-term time frame and a higher time for swing. So day trades, 15-minute. You can have a multi-time frame approach. So look for structural levels on a higher time frame and then enter with an entry signal on a lower time frame. So again, this is just the order routing for AI Live. Two types. You can have limit order or aggressive front run, which is what you've seen on the cards there a minute ago. And this is just for daily. And then you can select the pairs that you want to auto trade. So that's how you set up auto trade. Again, if you just want to look at the setups, you don't want to actually put on the AI Live and want to enter them yourself, you can just select auto off and it will give you the setups, a TP1 target, TP2 target, and a TP3 target. So all based on our multiples. And yeah, so a lot more easier to navigate than before. And it's only going to get better as lots of stuff I've got in the background on the way. That is the AI Live Trader. AI does the full live trading for you, tick by tick, minute by minute, knows when to get out, knows when to take profit, knows when to get back in. It's not emotional, it's not fatigued. It can run 24/5. This is the future. Again, this is the future of trading. I may be ahead of the game here, but the future of trading is AI. The future of retail trading is AI. If the institutions, the big players, the smart money are using AI for 90% of their order flow, then it's only a question of why aren't you? So to get your access to your 14-day free pro trial, you can click the link in the description area of the video. And any questions, let me know, and I shall see you in another video very, very soon. Will over at Arcis AI.